Hi everybody, Sean here, Detail Garage. Listen, I'm working on my kind of my freeway car here. It's been a little bit neglected, so we're doing some paint and paint correction and headlight work is what I'm going to show you now. So if you notice, this is a lot of what we see. There's a bunch of those little pits all over the headlight. It's not in bad condition. It's not heavily oxidized. It's just pretty well beat up by the freeway. This is my freeway car. It's a lot of rocks in it. I'm getting ready to ceramic the whole thing, so I've just done some V32 on the hood. I'm gonna do some more, but I wanted to get these done, and we're gonna do a little video on showing a decent headlight, but with damage, and the process. So I'm gonna get some of the the sandpaper, the 3500 and the 2500 grit papers. I'm gonna start with 25, sand it down, then do the 32, and then polish it up with our headlight restore and let you see what we got. Right here I have the light 2500 grit, and I've got the super fine 3500 grit. I'm starting with the 25. I put it on our sanding block using some clay luber, and I'm gonna start spraying and scrubbing the light. Okay, so now we're putting on the finer sheet. This is the 3500 on our sanding block. We have all this in stock in the store. And now I'll do the final sand. Only takes a couple minutes to do all the sanding, depending on how horrible it is, but usually a couple minutes. Guys, remember, a good tip is before you start polishing the headlights with the headlight restorers, to make sure you tape off your paint. You don't want to damage your paint with correcting your headlights. Headlight restorer, pad conditioner, orange pad, standard drill kit we all have here. Little squirt, and then we're going to start working the light. All taped off, in good shape. You can see how it got fuzzy from the sanding it with the sandpaper.
So now we're applying the white tide for a finer finish in the end.
Finish for the light, kind of good. Took out 90% of the little rock chips. Got them nice and shiny again.